How to attack a paper. Pow. Zap. Set the mood. Start with coffee or tea. We. Whoa. Maybe not this much coffee. As you begin attacking your paper, always remember, you can do this. So, just chill. You got this. This is you graduating. Firstly, set the mood by setting your brain. One option that works well for some folks is playing some smart music, without vocals or lyrics, to get the brain going. Think electronic, prog, metal, lo-fi trip-hop, classical, jazz, or whatever is your jam. Your jam. Remember, this paper is about you, learning and growing, or growling, becoming a more active thinker, a brighter individual. So, really, this paper will become a part of you. It will be your new jam. Okay, so, what are you writing about? What is your topic? And what are you going to learn from your topic? And also, how will it change you? Further, what are your topics inside your topic? There are many layers to a well-written paper, just like a well-written movie script. Okay, it's go time. Fingers to the keyboard. Show no fear, kinda. Dry those juicy tears. Throw down some ideas onto paper. Brains go beast mode. Attack your paper like crazy in 4 steps. 4 steps. 1. Pre-writing. 2. Drafting. 3. Revising, the most important step. 4. Editing and proofreading. All writing everywhere involves this kind of work, piece by piece, day by day. Think of your favorite movie, its script and screenplay. Think of the writers sitting around hammering out all steps of the writing process to make a good movie. If they didn't go through this step-by-step process, then the movie would be hard to follow and just plain bad. The movie or the writing project would end up looking like this. Bad and toothless. Writing center power. Now let's dig a little deeper. Pre-writing. Music plus coffee plus tea plus inspiring surroundings equals good brainstorming. Caffeinate. Remember, this is step 1 of the writing process. Explore new ideas to write about. Brainstorm, free write, outline, cluster, observe, research. Plan your writing. Focus ideas. Think about who your readers are. Organize ideas loosely. Step 2. Drafting. Drive this rig. Writing an initial draft. This is your first attempt at getting ideas down using complete sentences and paragraphs. It doesn't have to be perfect or pretty. Just right. Like a cat swimming in coffee. Whoa. Step 3 is not happening right now. Instead, we're going to procrastinate. Okay, now stop the goodly work you're doing and go ahead and procrastinate, like all human people all around the world, by reading internet mirth like this. Yes, procrastination is funny. but jump back into attacking your paper. Don't let the glorious cyberweb stop your intelligent hard work. After all, you should be writing. You really, truly, probably should be writing. Oh my goodness me, oh my. Say it ain't so. Step 3, revising. Go on the attack. Strengthen and clarify ideas. Do I need to sharpen my focus, clarify or strengthen my thesis? Is there more I can say, other details I should include? Are there ideas I need to get rid of? Could I make any of my ideas more understandable or more interesting? Could ideas be arranged in a clearer order? How do I come across to my readers? Revising is the most important step. This is where your paper gets its teeth, like a juicy shark, diving deep for magical treasure. So, dive deep with your revising. Step 4, editing and proofreading. Edit like a boss. Edit like a hammerhead. Find and correct errors in punctuation, grammar, and spelling. Read aloud. Use colored sheets of paper to cover up all but one line at a time. Or maybe try reading backwards, sentence by sentence, from the end of the paper to the beginning, looking for juicy errors. And here are a few final things to mull over. Some helpful advice concerning a very important part of your paper. Your thesis statement should be this obvious, always. That is, if your paper requires a thesis statement. Is my thesis clear, Marty? Does my main point smack of a reasoned opinion? Well, rust, it's a tad scattered and muddy, like scraps of ghosty evidence in a Louisiana swamp. Lastly, why create something sloppy, like this writing creation? Shrimp and root beer, a classic combination. When instead, you can write and create this. Gosling says, "Hey y'all, no food or drinks at the computers. Don't make me sad by grossing up the high-tech stations of the national." Seriously. Thank you and good night.